In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Crunchyroll app not working. So if the Crunchyroll application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, the application should start working. Also try updating the app. Sometimes there might be some bugs in the application itself. In order to fix it, you'll have to update it. So for that, launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now search for Crunchyroll. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Crunchyroll and tap on it. Now over here, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and it will be updated. Now once the update is completed, you can open it. After that, your application should start working. If the app still does not work, what you have to do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, open the app library of your device. Find the application for Crunchyroll and long press on it. Now tap on this option, App Info. After you do that, you'll be led to the App Info interface of Crunchyroll. Tap on this option, Storage and Cache. Now tap on the option Clear Cache that you can see on the screen. Now once the cache has been cleared, your application should start working. If the app still does not work, what you have to do is simply uninstall the application and install it again. After that, it will surely start working. But sometimes there can be the software glitches in the device itself. So in that case, restart your device. Long press on the power button. Now tap on the option Restart and your device will be restarted. After that, the temporary software glitches will be fixed. Now you can open the Crunchyroll application and start using it. So that is how you fix Crunchyroll app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.